are pleased to show you the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, bed liner, passenger airbag, MP3 player, electronic stability control, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, steel wheels. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.